Covering news that matters. Fox 23 News at 9 starts right now.
Tulsa Mayor Monroe Nichols officially launched a $2 million plan to address the root causes of violence in Tulsa. Thanks so much for joining us at 9. I'm Shay Rozzi.
And I'm Morgan Martin. The city of Tulsa plans to use real-time data and community partners to address the violence that they call one of Tulsa's most challenging issues. Fox 23's Paris Rain is live with what she learned about this part of the mayor's overall public safety initiative.
Mayor Nichols said throughout his campaign that he planned to make Tulsa the safest big city in the country. Now, the community partners brought in to help with this initiative have been serving the community, but are now joining forces to help serve Tulsa together.
I've said it a number of times before, you know, safety is more than just about the number of officers we put on the streets.
Thursday afternoon, the city of Tulsa announced a new violence prevention initiative funded by a $2 million grant from the U.S. Department of Justice. It's called the Tulsa Community-Based Violence Intervention Initiative, or TCVI.
We're going to leverage local expertise, and we're going to find the very best strategies for not only reducing violence, as I said before, but instilling hope and opportunity in neighborhoods all across this community.
The city says TCVI is part of a broader program to combat gun violence nationwide and address the root causes of violence, ultimately working to improve neighborhood safety. Mayor Monroe Nichols has tasked community partners, Impact Tulsa, My Brother's Keeper, Youth Services of Tulsa, and the Terrence Crutcher Foundation to help drive the mission.
They all are organizations and community-based groups that have been doing this work for a long time. Now we're doing a great job of collaborating and bringing it all to fruition.
They will use real-time data and focus on high-need neighborhoods.
This grant will help give us a start, but the real test is going to be how much of that becomes just part of the way we do business in the city of Tulsa, and that's the reason why we're at the table as a city.
The plan is to identify the areas of Tulsa with the highest levels of violence and give them focused attention, and connect people there with critical resources like conflict resolution training, mental health services, employment support, and educational opportunities.
This is not about enforcing anything. It's about implementing strategies that we know make communities safer.
Mayor Nichols says TCVI is a bold step forward to help reduce violence and strengthen neighborhoods. I also heard from some of the community members who were asked to help with this initiative. I have that part of the story for Fox 23 News at 10. Live in the newsroom, covering news that matters, I'm Paris Rain, Fox 23 News.
Paris, thanks. The city's goal is to cut the murder rate in half by 2028.